Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike, and in today's video we are building this guy right here. I seen a 3D printed robot on, I think it was either Etsy or Reddit, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try to build that out of wood. So this is my rendition of that robot. Sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, this is the shape of the head and the shape of the body. I transferred the shapes onto this 2x4, and now I'm going to cut these shapes out. This is a 2x4. This is a scroll saw. This scroll saw is not going to like this 2x4, but I am going to do it slow and see if I can cut through it. So what did I learn? When you're cutting thicker pieces like this, it's best to get a bandsaw. However, going against the grain, it cut through it pretty quick. When I was cutting along the grain, it struggled. But other than that, it cut it all right. All right, I got these wood beads, wooden spears, crafter's closet at the Dollar General. So what you just seen me finish cutting is the feet. Obviously it's got to be cleaned up, but this is the feet. The only reason why I did this is just for added strength. I drilled down into it. Will the glue hold? Chances are yes, but I wanted this here added strength to it, because when it's all said and done, the weight of the full body of the robot, the head, the arms, I just wanted that extra strength in the feet area. so this don't break off right here. Alright, this is what I got so far. I repositioned the legs because he was leaning too far back, but I drilled a hole in the knees and in the legs and just slide it on, and then I'll glue it. The neck, and then this sits on top of like that, and then it sits like that. So I am working on the arms now for the robot. I took the wooden ball I got from the dollar store and a 1/2 inch drill bit, and I started drilling inside the hole that's already there. And I drilled a 1/2 inch hole into the wooden ball. That way my dowel that's going to be the arm of the robot will fit inside that hole, and then I can glue that and it will stay in place. Alright, for the most part the body of the robot is done. I got one arm here, one arm there. I drilled holes in the shoulders, 1/2 inch. There we go. I don't know why I wanted him pointed, but I got him pointed. We'll be back. Alright, so I've got the robot built. It is not glued together. Before I glue it together, I'm going to do a base coat of light gray. That's the color of the main body of the robot. Once I get the robot glued together and it dries, then I'll start doing details. So right now, I'm going to start spraying. Alright, that is the video of me building this dude. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And until my next video, you guys keep building.